Hi, I'm Matt Kerr, Service Manager at Pickering Volkswagen, and today I thought we would take some time to talk about a pretty cool little vehicle. It's an all-electric car, and it's a 2017 e-Golf. Now, as you can see, this Golf looks just like any other 2017 Golf we would see on the road. It's got some pretty cool features though. It's got some nice wheels on it, got some blue badging around the front. Oh yeah, and it's got that green vehicle license plate, which means zero emissions. And this is where normally you would put the fuel in, but today we're going to show you how to hook up your e-Golf. Now this is the charger that comes with the vehicle. This is for home use. This just plugs into a regular outlet like you would have in your home, and then the other end gets plugged in to where you would put the gas in. I'm going to show you how to hook that up, how to make sure the car is fully charged, and how to release this handle. So here we are, and we want to charge our Golf. So how do we do it? Well, we take this handle and we simply plug it in here until we hear that positive contact, and we leave it to charge. Now, a maximum time for charging on this vehicle when plugged into your house is about 6 hours from a dead battery. Okay, now in order to release this handle, we can't just unlock it and release it. What we need to do is use your key fob, unlock the car, and then release the handle. This will not release from the charge point unless you unlock the car with your key fob first. Now we're back in the vehicle, and we're going to start the vehicle, and we're going to see what the charge indicator says. So, foot on the brake, press the start button, and right here, there we are, full charge, and we're ready to go and go green. So thank you for watching another edition of Matt's Tech Tips. Please stay tuned for more tips. Remember, we're at Pickering Volkswagen, 503 Kingston Road in Pickering, Ontario.